There's a point in luxury car ownership where the standard options stop feeling special. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is one of the most recognizable vehicles on the road. That boxy silhouette is genuinely unmistakable. But recognition cuts both ways. When enough of them are sitting outside the same restaurants and hotel lobbies, the exclusivity starts to erode. Larte Design, a German tuner that has worked extensively with the G-Class platform, has been thinking about that problem. Their answer is the color program, and it's a more thoughtful approach than the name might initially suggest. The premise is straightforward enough. Factory color palettes, even generous ones, are still defined by production realities. Mercedes-AMG offers a substantial range of finishes for the G63, including the more elaborate manufacturer options, but every choice on that list was made by a committee with volume and logistics in mind. Larte's program starts from a completely different position. The customer decides the color first, and the team figures out how to make it happen. That could mean presenting a specific paint code, pointing to an object, describing a memory, or arriving with nothing more concrete than a general idea. The company then develops and validates a unique tone from that starting point, producing physical paint and carbon samples before any work begins on the actual vehicle. It's a slower, more involved process than selecting from a brochure, which is precisely the point. What makes the launch interesting is the showcase Larte chose to illustrate the program's possibilities. The featured rendering depicts a G63 in a combination of vivid teal and deep black, explicitly referencing the livery associated with the Mercedes-AMG Formula One team. It's a bold choice. The contrast between the two tones is dramatic, and the application isn't subtle. Black takes over the hood, rear quarter panels, and tailgate, while the teal runs across the front fenders, portions of the doors, lower front bumper, and remaining body surfaces. The result reads immediately as something other than a stock G-Class, which is the whole idea. The carbon fiber treatment is where things get genuinely unusual. Most performance-oriented modifications simply expose carbon's natural black weave, letting the material do its visual work through texture and sheen. Larte is doing something different here. Selected carbon components, the spare wheel cover, roof spoiler, front splitter, rear diffuser, receive teal-colored carbon fiber rather than the standard black. On the hood, the effect goes further still. Conventional black carbon fiber transitions into teal-colored carbon through a gradient that runs across the surface. It's a finish that isn't commonly seen in the automotive world at any price point, and it speaks to how seriously the company is treating color as a design material rather than a surface treatment applied on top of everything else. All of the visible components are built from dry carbon fiber, finished to Class A standards. That matters in practice because Class A surfaces are held to the same reflective quality benchmarks as the best automotive paintwork. No read-through, no waviness, consistent sheen across the entire panel. Dry carbon is also the material of choice in serious motorsport applications, valued for its strength-to-weight properties and dimensional stability. The finish options Larte offers span the range from exposed weave to fully painted surfaces to the colored carbon approach described above, so buyers aren't locked into a single aesthetic. Underneath all of this sits Larte's winter body kit, which had already been developed for the updated G-Class before the color program was introduced. The kit reworks the front and rear bumpers, adds more aggressive wheel arch treatments, and brings a reshaped hood into the mix. Earlier iterations of the package incorporated a vented carbon hood, expanded side styling to visually widen the SUV, and roof-mounted lighting elements. Taken together, the winter kit pushes the G63 toward a tougher, more purposeful appearance, without crossing into the kind of extreme territory that can make a modified G-Class look more like a caricature than a refined vehicle. The base character stays intact, the presence is simply amplified. Wheels are part of the visual equation too. The showcased vehicle uses aftermarket rims with black and teal detailing that connects the wheel finish to the bodywork and carbon elements, tying the overall design together. Larte includes 23-inch wheels as a foundational element of the package, ensuring the stance reads correctly against the widened arches and upgraded exterior. The practical side of commissioning a project like this works in one of two ways. Owners who already have a G63 can deliver the vehicle to Larte's facility in Aircraft, Germany, where the build is completed and the car returned to them. The process takes roughly 2 months from start to finish, which is reasonable given the level of custom work involved. For buyers who haven't yet purchased a G63, the company can also source the vehicle, handle the logistics and import arrangements, and deliver a finished product. A turnkey approach that removes several layers of coordination from the client side. Pricing is tiered according to scope. The foundation package, the dry carbon Class A body kit, and 23-inch wheels starts at €44,276, which works out to approximately $51,500. A full bespoke exterior color treatment applied across the entire package starts from €74,276, or roughly $86,200. Extending the chosen color theme into the interior as well carries a starting figure of €89,276, around $103,600. Those numbers don't include the G63 itself, which either needs to come from the owner or be sourced separately through Larte. When you're talking about a base vehicle that already costs well north of $200,000, these figures sit within a range that the likely clientele will consider seriously, rather than dismissively. What Larte is really responding to here is a shift in how ultra-luxury buyers are thinking about exclusivity. Horsepower figures have diminishing returns when everyone in the same social circle is already driving something fast. A completely custom color, one that no other G-Class in the world shares, offers a different kind of distinction. And in certain circles, that matters more than another 100 horsepower would. The Formula 1-inspired teal and black rendering is partly a demonstration of technical capability, and partly a statement about the aesthetic territory the program is willing to explore. Not every customer will want something that dramatic, but knowing the capability exists changes the conversation from which option do I pick to what do I actually want. For G63 owners who have looked at their car and felt like it stopped turning heads, or who simply want something that genuinely belongs to them in a way no factory configuration can, this program is a serious offering. The combination of bespoke paint development, colored carbon fiber work, an established body kit, and the kind of process that produces physical samples before committing to a single panel gives it more substance than typical tuner programs that lead with dramatic renders and vague promises about exclusivity. This one delivers the individualization it advertises, and it does so through craftsmanship that justifies the investment.